Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I am sharing my empties for the last month or two, my beauty empties. And so anyway, let's get to it. All right, friends, thanks for being here. I would love it if you'd support my channel by hitting the like button, subscribe, comment, do those things that support my channel if you wish. And let's get started here on our empties. So the first empty I'm going to pull out here is, this is a setting spray. It's Cover FX. It's actually been my absolute favorite setting spray. Let's see if there's any in here. Got a little bit of a mist, but it's empty. I love this spray. To me, it's been my favorite that I've ever used, and it's lasted me a really long time. It's time to say goodbye. I would buy it again, as long as it's kind of in my price range. So Cover FX does have great products. I love some of their products. So I would love to get this again. So there's my first one. My next one, you guys all know I talk about, I love Benefit Professional primer. I'm wearing it today, and this one I got emptied, and I actually just purchased another one. So I have another one, and I do recommend this product. So the next thing, let's get some of the small things here that I have. I have a Winky Lux concealer, just a small concealer. Loved it, used it. I also have a Revitalize from, who's this from? Arrow? It's from Arrow. And this is a brightening serum that you can also use kind of like in concealer. So liked both of these products. Obviously they were just samples, but liked them. Probably would use them again if I had the opportunity. Okay, this item is from Butanio Beauty. Haven't really heard of that. It is, it's a brow gel, and it's really gross. It got really goopy. I didn't even have it that long. So I would say on that. So the next thing I have here is Dermaclear Micro Water. Just a, it was a sample again, but it's like a micellar water. And the next thing I have in here, I've talked about this before. This was from ColourPop. It was supposed to be a brow gel, but I got it dried up. You know what? I didn't even reach out to them on it. I just called it a loss. So I would never get it again, obviously. So there's that. What do we got here? Okay, one of my favorite is the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. Love it. It's gone. So I think I do have another one of these already though. So anyway, I would definitely buy this again. Inexpensive and definitely works really well for a pencil. So there we go. Why spend a ton of money on something when you got your good old e.l.f. here. The next thing, of course, I have some eye masks, Skin Camp eye masks that I use. So there's those. Don't know where I got these. I probably would use them again if I came across them. This might have been Fab Fit Fun. I'm not sure. But anyway, I do like eye masks. So there's that. I have a couple things from one of my favorite brands, which is Iconic. This Iconic mascara, I absolutely love this mascara. It's a really small brush, but it really picks up your lashes and lifts them. But it's gone, unfortunately. I like the brush though. Usually like bushy brushes, but I liked this one. So that, for my conic, I would definitely get this and use it again. I think I actually might have another one of these on hand already. And then for my conic, this was a kit right here. It just had a brush and but it dried out. It, either that or I used it out. I don't know anyway. So it was kind of a liquid type, you know, color. You put the color and then you brushed it in. So that's saying goodbye. And I have 2 mascaras from Tarte, which I love Tarte and I love their mascaras. This one is a gifted mascara. I think this might have been a special. I don't know if this is one they normally have all the time. I think this might have just been a special one that they had. But anyway, used it up, all gone. And the Big Ego, the Tarteist Big Ego. Now this is one of their, all their mascaras from Tarte are good. This one, as dry as can be. I think I might have a sample size of this. I'm not sure I have another big one. I would definitely get this again. I really like this mascara. I really like the brush. And I have from Benefit, this is the Erase. It's a concealer. It's just a small, I think this was a normal size, but it's just small. And it's under eye, and it works like super good. So I don't know, I might check. I'm not sure if they still have this product or what, but if they did or do, I think I would pick this up. So I really like this product. I always go through a face powder because I use powder after my foundation usually, or after my full makeup. This I got from Red Aspen, which is the same place that I get my nails. Have a link down below. But this was also set translucent loose setting powder by Red Aspen. And I got this when they had a sale. I got 2 for 1. And this is my second one, and these have been like my favorite setting powders. So I don't know if I buy it again. I think it was a little bit pricey, and I have so many translucent powders, but this, like I said, has been my favorite. So there's that. And then the last thing I have, and I went and added it. I get these at Amazon, and these are the Dove cotton scent deodorant, and I like an aerosol. Don't come at me because that's my choice to use an aerosol. I know some people have feelings about that. So, but anyway, I buy these in a 6-pack and I get a really good deal on them. So I love these. So one's down and I still have a few backup before I have to buy another 6-pack. So anyway, there's that. And I think that's it. That is it. Let's see. My favorites in this group, it would have to be, oh gosh, I have too many favorites. So, I don't know what happened. I think the other mascara, the Big Ego mascara, oh no, it's right here. So probably the Iconic mascara, the Big Ego mascara, the e.l.f. eyebrows, the Cover FX setting spray. This is a favorite. This is a favorite. So any of these I highly recommend. Great products. And I'm already emptying some more coming up. So in my next empty video, we'll see a whole new set of products. This was fun. All right. Thanks for being here, friends. I do love your support and appreciate you being here. And we will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.